The dirtiest man in the world. Amo Aji never showered for 65 years, smoked animal dung and ate animal carcasses. Amo Haji, who lived in the village of Jega in Iran, had a 3-inch steel pipe through which he smoked animal dung instead of tobacco. He cooked animal carcasses such as rotten porcupine meat. At night, he slept in a hole in the ground which resembles a graved pit.
Got kick.
Amo Haji believed cleanliness would make him sick. He died aged 94 in 2022, just months after taking his first wash in decades.